Okay, no swearing and no swearing and no yelling.
Oh my effing god, bro.
Bro.
I didn't say it. I just said effing.
Okay.
Alright, start the video. What's the video about?
So today, me and my friend right here is gonna be playing Animal Company, and me and him are gonna go in that mines over there, and we are going to we're going to go mining, and we're gonna try get some money. So we're gonna go mining. Yo,
Yeah.
bro, can you pass me like a pickaxe? I'm broke.
Yeah, I got you. First, I'm gonna try to install a VPN so I can dupe. And if that doesn't work, then we're just gonna go mining. Yeah, I got you. Pickaxe. That might be the last pickaxe I have. No, it's not. No, it's not. Oh, I forgot. It's a big red one.
Oh my god.
Which one do you want?
I'll just take the small one. Okay. Oh,
I can't buy them.
Yo.
You're gonna have to use
my
that.
friend's pickaxe is huge.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Can you also get me a bag? Because I could only afford the first one. Yeah, guys.
We need to go mining for some purple crystals because I also have nothing unlocked.
Yeah, we're also
I can just give you a hook shot.
We're also gonna go for purple crystals.
Dang, I barely have anything. I guess I'll just give you this bag. You can just take that. I lost all my grapplers too.
Guys, he has a small grappler. Look, he has a small grappler.
Okay, I'm gonna go try to install a VPN. 1 second.
What?
A VPN so you can dupe. 1 second.
Oh. Okay, so he's gonna try dupe now. But I don't know what he's gonna do because he doesn't have anything right now.
I'll be 1 second. Stop! Oh, bro!
Is that doing damage? No. How much money?
Get out of me face!
Oh, he has a lot. He's richer than me. Okay, so I'm gonna go see what's over here. Yeah, this is where you could change colors. Right here, and you could go into different kind of animals, like a pug, a kitten, and other stuff. So. How am I gonna handle this in the caves?
I don't know, bro. That's why I'm gonna try to dupe the normal one I have.
Okay.
Your download has started. Please, VPN. Yes, it's downloading. Do I even have my mobile station? Yes, I do have. Might take forever.
I'll just wait here.
It says I need to quit Animal Company. I'm not gonna do that. Never mind.
What?
We'll do the mobile station later.
Okay. So,
We'll
guys,
do all that later.
I'm gonna have to try handle this in the mines. This is huge.
Let me put on some music because I'm gonna be bored.
Oh, okay.
So
my friend is gonna my best friend right here is gonna put on some music.
Spotify. You wanna break from the ads?
Oh, I can't. I forgot I can't. I don't have the hip
I have
slots.
premium on here, bro.
Oh man.
I don't have hip slots either. That's why we gotta get purple crystals.
Yep.
Just play this song that I want. No. Where's my controllers? Why are they not? Okay, there we go. Okay.
You done?
Yeah, bro, watch this.
He has the plunger.
Alright, let me get geared up.
It's on your back. The plunger is on your back.
Alright.
That was funny. You're also gonna need a bag. Oh. I don't know what you did that for.
Nah. I'll put all the stuff I get in your bag and we'll sell it.
What? Wait, what? Yeah, we're gonna go down to sewers or mines.
Okay, wait. Hold this light. This one's better. Actually, never mind. You keep that light.
You just instantly yeeted it.
Do you need a grapple?
Is that the spider that I hear? Is that Mr. Spider that I could hear?
Oh, I don't know.
I'm stuck.
First, we should try to go to the office and try to dupe stuff.
What?
Do you want to do that? Go to the office and dupe some things?
I'm scared of the office run.
But trust me, I already have trash to do it.
Sure.
I bet. Because we need to do this grappler.
Wait, let's just go to let's just go to sewers first. Let's go down to sewers and get some purple.
Wait, can't you get the grappler and duper Can't you get grapplers in the sewers?
Yep. But that's at a different area too, which I don't know where it is.
I think I know how to get there. Let's try to get the grapplers and sewers. I have 200 grand, so I think we can get it.
Okay. I have 97
Do you need
grand.
an umbrella? You're probably going to need an umbrella.
Yeah. What am I gonna do with? What am I gonna do with
I
this?
can hold. I'm gonna put this in my inventory.
Okay.
Where
am I gonna put this?
We can trade the pickaxe. On your back. You can just hold this one instead of the pickaxe. I'll hold this pickaxe, and we'll like swap back and forth with the pickaxe.
I'll just leave it there.
You gotta open it, and then press A behind your back.
Oh.
There you go! I have nothing in this bag. So
wait, should we try get down to 0 gravity? Maybe?
What is that?
I don't know. But it's an OP loot area.
I think I'm an a-hole. I think I'm a play. What's that? When you get in here, just look straight down. You'll go down way faster. Where are you? Oh, there you are.
Oh.
They updated this place so much.
Whoa! God, he's
it's
scared.
It's just a can, don't worry.
Oh my God, guys! There's also annoying chickens. I
think you can kill the chickens.
They're pretty annoying. Yeah, yeah,
Don't move when it's red light. Don't move when it's red light.
Yeah, if you play this game and you don't know what this map is, you can move on green, but not on red. Okay.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
Where are you?
I'm coming.
Where are you?
I'm coming. I died.
You died!
Yeah, I died. I'll come back.
Go to the TV screen.
Okay.
Hello, my
Make
good
sure
sir.
it's on
How are you doing? No, what the? What's up, my good sir? How you doing?
You literally
It's your
scared
name
me.
Bigfoot.
Oh my god, you
Yeah,
scared
you okay? You're my friend. All right. Why your name Bigfoot?
Did you go to the portal?
Because it's my YouTube channel.
Whoa, my good. Wait here. Here, I got a question
No,
for you.
I didn't go
you?
through the TV.
Okay.
Aw. Wait, I have a question. Do you have a rocket launcher or something? Yeah? Do you have the ammo for it? Alright. Okay, I see. Let's see. Let me
I
check.
I don't know what my other friend is doing, but it's okay.
Let's see. You don't have
Yo,
rocket ammo for it.
do you want to,
What?
what do you want me to do?
Are you at red light, green light?
No.
Just go.
Okay, I'm coming.
And fast.
I'm ready where the first landmine is. At sewers. I jumped down the hole.
Wait for me.
I'm here.
I'm there to get my stuff.
I'm here. What the? Hi. Hello, Chip. Don't you dare hit me.
I'm gonna grab a crossbow and a grenade.
Okay.
I'm gonna get down.
I literally juked the red. Oh my god, oh my god. I got a heart attack. I juked the red light, green light.
That's crazy.
Yeah. I'm coming back. Don't worry.
I'm jumping down.
Okay.
Are you down here?
No, not yet. Coming. Kill the red light, green light.
You down here?
Almost. I'm jumping down the hole. I jumped down the hole.
Alright, see you.
Mhm. Oh, what's up, bro?
Let's just follow the rules this time.
Yeah, I did, and I also juked.
You should try to kill one of these chickens.
Okay. One dead.
Alright, kill the other one.
Bet.
It dropped a chicken bone.
Oh my.
I think I hit it. Get the frick back here, you frickin'.
Come
I
here.
can't kill it.
How did I not hit it? I hit it once. I hit another one.
I'm trying to shoot it with the can. I shot it
Killed
with the can.
I got it.
Alright,
Don't move.
follow the rules.
What the? What just happened to you?
I'm coming right down.
Okay.
One of my friends joined. He's gonna help us.
Okay. Where are you?
Hey guys, I'm coming.
Okay.
Yes, where are you going? What are you?
We're in sewers.
Yeah.
Hola.
What are you doing in the?
Hola, buddy. Hola.
We're at the start of sewers.
We're at the start of sewers, yeah. That's what Blue said.
Said you need help.
We're gonna buy some grapplers.
So Blue, this is your friend?
Yeah.
Hello. Hello.
You killed it. Come over here.
Oh, that was.
What are you doing?
Oh my God.
Like, are you trying to kill something?
How did you guys die?
I'm coming back.
Okay, I see research points. Hurry.
Another one of my friends is coming. So I have two of my friends in the game.
I got it a research point. And some company coins. Yo, what's up, bro?
What's up? If you can kill these bombs, then we're good.
Where's the mimic? I know there's a mimic in here.
Not in here yet.
Where's your finding tools?
Use one of these fans and get to and then just camp the top, okay? So just ride, stay on the top and follow me.
I have 2 objects though.
We don't need the flashlight.
Are you sure?
You don't need the flashlight, just drop it, yes!
Okay.
Just drop it!
Oh my God, you scared me.
Open it. So drop the top, Alright, follow me.
Where are you?
Alright, stay up here, follow me. Over here. Yeah, mine goes.
Where'd you go?
I'm right here.
Yeah, I told you we need a flashlight. Oh my god.
Big Daddy's coming.
What? Guys, I'm recording a video. Don't say weird stuff. Oh god.
Get the fuck off me!
Stop swearing! Stop swearing in front of people. Because I'm literally recording. I'm recording a video.
Oh my god, he's bro, the big guy. Big man.
Oh, kill this guy.
Bro, just kill
Kill
him.
these guys.
He's hard.
Look how easy it is.
Ooh, grenade.
Let's just fly to the next sewer area.
That was so easy.
Guys, let's just fly to the next sewer area. Come on.
Yo, Armstrong. Big man.
What?
Ooh, big bag.
Oh shit!
Oh my god. I'm up there. But not that much.
Again, one
He's
shot.
dead.
I want to open it.
What's in it?
I got a pipe.
Bruh.
Oh.
It's not this way. It's not this way.
It's this way. They call me Dora Explorer.
What?
Dora the Explorer.
Yeah, follow me.
What's in my
I died. No.
Uh-oh.
Guys, I
Where
died.
are you guys?
I died.
I think
We
Dora.
died.
I think Dora had too many nuts.
Bro, guys,
Both of you?
died. Yes, both of us died.
I have a strap, bro.
We'll just try to get back here. I'm at the next part.
shot.
The first frag.
This
Okay.
is my shot.
We're coming.
I'll be here
Strapping
waiting for
these
you.
rockets, and then
Wait,
just
where
use
you
this to carry all the bags in.
We're coming back down because we died.
Yeah, just come back.
Maybe I'm wasting my rockets too quick.
Okay, we're coming.
Wait, dude, where you at?
I'm in the first area of the
When
red
both of
light.
you die.
We're at the first red light, green light.
Second really green.
Oh, there's not even a red light.
Never mind, there's not even a red light, green light.
You're like down the top.
Bro, this chicken shot. Oh my god, bro. I think it's this way. Let's keep going forward.
Bro, where'd you go?
I'm here.
Where are you guys? Where's the way?
I basically can see the red. Where are you?
I don't know where I am.
Wait, I see you. I hear. Hey, dude, hello? I
Oh,
got acting like a mimic. Yeah, I hear.
Okay, we're at the second red light, green light. Okay,
I'm gonna come.
come on. Whoever is still in the sewers area.
Get out. Yeah, where am I? Where is
I know where the next spot's at. I know where the next spot's at.
It's over there.
Yeah, it's over here.
I got you, bro. Damn.
Bro,
Rocket launcher.
does one of you guys have a flashlight? It's dark.
Nah.
That doesn't matter here. Jump down.
Oh. Oh.
Turning.
I don't even have. Guys, I almost just. Bro, you guys literally have those stuff. I don't. Guys, I died. Yep. And I don't.
I'm gonna bring a grappler with me, but this is the last one.
Can you give me a grappler too? Cause I literally
No, this is literally the last one I have, bro. Sorry.
Oh wait, no. I don't even need one of your grapplers. I actually have a lot.
You have one?
Wanna see? Look how much I have.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I have a lot.
Can I use one? Cause mine is like a modified one.
Yeah, sure.
You grab one, and then let's just get a bunch. Cause we can also get research tokens while we're there.
Guys, should we go to mines now? Guys, should we go to mines now? Cause
yeah, let's go to mines.
Yeah, let's go to mines. Come on, let's go mines. We're gonna meet you at mines. Whoever's doing sewers. Somebody needs to bring a flashlight for mines.
I need to pull this way.
Guys, somebody needs to bring a flashlight for mines.
I will.
Okay. How big is it? Is it the mega flashlight or normal?
Or do we need
glow
it?
stick?
Do we need the mega flashlight?
It doesn't matter.
Sure.
If you have if you can
doesn't
put a
matter.
glow stick on your side, then that's fine.
What else do I need?
I need a bag.
Actually.
I need a bag.
Fine in the dark. Cause me and him are gonna grind research tokens so we can get some unlocked stuff.
Yep.
Mom, can you give me a?
Cause I have 5 research points.
Okay.
Whose revolver is this? It's filled with full ammo. Cause I'm not taking it. I don't want it.
He left.
Ah. Okay. Let's just go for research points now. Get a flashlight.
Yeah, we don't need
Blue,
no light.
get a flashlight.
We don't need no light.
Bro, what? Guys, Blue is crazy. He's saying.
Bro, what happened to my grappler?
He's saying we don't need a flashlight. Cause
we don't.
Even though it's so dark down here. Watch when we get through the no way, no hand
You literally
way.
just gotta go straight.
Wait until we pass this. Look how dark.
It's not that dark.
Yo, look how dark it is, guys. Look how dark it is. Like, oh my god.
It's not even that dark.
Like, I'm scared of, cause YouTube, I'm scared of this area. I'm scared of this area, bro. I'm scared of mines, bro. I'm scared of mines. I'm just scared of mines.
You're gonna empty out every cave.
Let's go over there. I saw some.
There's
Yep.
so many over here.
Oh my god.
Anglerfish. Ceiling. Anglerfish.
Hi, Mom. My mom is home.
Can we try to kill it?
No.
Why not?
This guy does a lot of damage to me. He got me to half health. Guys, look how big that guy is. He's huge.
He looks ugly though.
Oh.
Oh, easy claps. From here.
Uh-oh. Guys, this is why I'm scared of. Guys, this is why I'm scared of mines. Look how scary this guy is. He's so scary. Guys, this is a 2v1 right now. Guys,
told you. Oh, you got to be kidding.
What was in the crate?
The clapper thing.
Oh.
We just
Yo, bro,
mined everything here and killed this guy.
Oh, you're right there.
That guy was a brokey.
Yep. He was a brokey. Oh my god. Bro, let's go down a level.
There was one up here still.
Bro, drop down right here. Look. Look down there. Let's go get those ones. Come on. Let's go get these ones right here. I just got some company coins.
God is not the answer.
Oh, I got it. You could get research points from gold.
Nice. Come over here.
Hold on. I'm gonna try to get more. Another research point. Nope. Oh my god, I literally just... Oh, I got it a lot of research of company coins.
There's a mimic in here, but easy class for the mimic.
Uh-oh. I don't like the mimics.
I can kill that guy.
Same. Oh, he's right there. Oh, I thought he was like, you know, deep into the thing.
I killed him.
Oh, there's another one.
Should we kill him?
Yes.
I can't. Oh, easy claps. They
Double
suck.
kill. Their faces is so ugly. Oh, come on. Ow, 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 ow.
Easy claps. They suck.
Yo, I almost just died. Bro, turn that light on right now. This one is taking forever to break. What the?
Same.
What?
There's another mimic.
Uh-oh. I gotta mine this one.
Got stuck. He got stuck.
Oh my god.
He's stuck.
He's dead. Bro, my game keeps glitching.
I think we should dip because they respawned.
Yeah.
Let's just run past them.
Woo! That was close. This one is taking forever to mine.
Oh, there's 3.
What?
Let's mine this thing. Because we need to get back so we can go to a different place.
Let's go.
Yeah.
I got it 1 research point.
Yeah.
Wait,
See what we
I
can
could
get.
unlock one of the. You know what I could unlock? I could unlock one of.
What?
I could unlock one of the hip slots. Let's go.
Oh, nice. I don't even know where
I know
they
where
are.
a hip slot is, but I have to get these first, and then I could.
Where is it?
It's at a different area, not this. Oh, I'm gonna have to buy this. Oh man. Now I have to go over there and buy that, whatever it is.
I'm trying to get these hip slots.
Please don't fall, please don't fall. Whoa, almost just fell. Ah! Almost just fell. I think this is one of the hip slots. Is this one of the hip?
This is the crossbow.
Okay. That was 3.
Did you unlock it?
That was 3.
Follow me. Follow me. I think it's inside of the. I think it's inside the volcano.
Yeah, same. But what is this I'm about to get? I thought this was, for a second I thought this was a hip slot. I think the next one I'm gonna be able to get is a hip slot. I think. The next one is, no. I need 3 for this one. What? I think his headset died, guys. I think that's what he said. Well, that's it for today's video. Please subscribe and like. Goodbye.